discount.
Inshallah. All right, so this is a 6-bedroom apartment. Six bedroom. So here is the washer area. This is to wash your hands. Majlis area. So here, so the majlis is the living room. It's very new. So here is to the street, a street view. Here is the window to the street view. That's a good view. Okay. All right. And here is a divider that divides this is living room? Yeah, so majlis is a living room. Here's a washroom, a walk-in washroom. Here is the hallway. This is a bedroom. Here's a bedroom. This is kitchen. This is the kitchen. This one, yeah, kitchen. Yeah. And here is bedroom. Yeah. Yeah, and washroom. Okay. And here is another bedroom. Here's another bedroom. Oh, washroom. Oh. There's a washroom as well. Okay. Here's another bedroom. And another bedroom. Okay. And washroom. This is the big washroom. Okay. All right. All right, it's good. How much is the rent?